Yeah, well, it's day 14 at Jill's townhouse project. Yesterday I put in the door. That all went pretty good. A little bit of rot to deal with. Today, on the way over there, I'm going to stop at Menards, look at siding, see if I can't find the right siding to match up. Maybe pick up some caulk and a door. There's a door I want to look at again, but I got to get some measurements first. Bugger. And I got to put one little piece of patch in that floor that was rotten. I was short a piece of 1/2 inch. So that's on the agenda for today. Look at that. I've been carrying around a little piece of Jill's house in my finger since yesterday. And it's starting to bother me. Tiny little thing, but boy, she hurts. It hurts. There it is. Little tiny thing. Causing me all kinds of pain. That's what they do, though. They're annoying. Better. It's better. It's nice to walk up to a nice, fresh, brand new door. Sure cleans it up. Here I picked up some siding. I got some more in the truck, but this is what's going on the outside. See if I can't knock that out today. Shouldn't take long. A lot of cutting though. A lot of cutting. Small pieces. So, anyway. That's that. Drag out my tools, compressor, nailer, chop saw. Started the siding. Maybe I can get this done today. I think that'll look a little better. All the way up and over and down. Here's my operation. Here's my operation. Operation. Truck. Underneath that board on the end. To the left of that board. I got it. Sorry. What a great little compressor. Makita. It's like brand new. $30 I paid for it at the auction. Bargain. Bargain. Well, enough is enough. Time to go home. I'm tired. Looking better every day. Siding sure helps, boy. It sure helps. It's got one more piece up there, and then I'll stripe down the side. Looking good. Day 14. Progress.